gift for Aditi. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Like it?
Yes.
So, shall we show it to them also? Before we started the video, she would like to say something.
Subscribe, like, and
Share.
share.
So shall we unpack it now?
Yes.
Yes. So, tell me Aditi, what will you bake in your kitchen?
Noodles.
Noodles. For who you will bake?
For Didi.
Didi? Yay! I will be waiting to eat the noodles. So here it is. The kitchen set. Wow, it's so huge now. You might enjoy this too. So it has all types of utensils in your kitchen. This I'll just take it out. Let's take out this part of the kitchen. Let's keep this aside for now. So let's see what's in here. There are spoons types of thingies.
I'll take it out.
Let's take this out first.
I will take
So
this.
this is used for making dosa.
And this use.
Oh, such a cute spoon also you got. See? Real spoon. Not real actually, mini spoon. And this is for picking rice if you've seen someone in your house. Oh, divider for salt, rice, all types of things. So cute. So you got such a cute kitchen.
You know what this bag is over here?
Maybe to, when you go to the market to do shopping, to buy the groceries. Oh, there's something over here. Is it money?
Yes.
No. It's a shopping list for you. The fruits you can buy.
No.
So it has
It's
bananas.
a pretend money.
Pretend money. Oh, my sister thinks it's a pretend money.
It's all your money.
Let's keep it back. So, Aditi, do you want to take more of your kitchen?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I'll now keep this aside. I'll keep these utensils aside. And I'll get the big kitchen over here. So I can see you've got plastic plates over here. Let's just take this out. So we've got these plates over here. Let's start with them out. It's a red plate, your favorite color. We've got 4 spoons. And we've got other utensils. Oh, Aditi, what is this 3-letter word?
Pan.
Pan. Pan. What is this leaf kind of a thing? Let's take this out. What is this leaf kind of thing?
Yes.
Glass.
What's up?
Glass. For the glass.
Didi, this is a tiffin.
Yes, this is a tiffin. We open it like this. Let's see if we can open. Oh, it opens. See? It can open like this. Wow. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces to put your tiffin. Like when you go for a picnic or a outdoor lunch, you can just pack your picnic over here. Let's put it back.
Didi, what is this?
I don't know. Ask your mother. I'm not in cooking. So now let's just close it. I'm not really going to close this stuff. Let's just keep it like that. Now let's move on to this stuff. So Aditi, see you've got a fridge too.
Yes.
You
I
can't
put
open-
it fine.
No, we can't open it. So this is gas and this is a cylinder. There's even a pipe to connect it like this. Just go through, which is really impressive. And this is fruit juice, cow milk and chocolate. This is the sink. So Aditi, should we put all these cooking utensils in the kitchen set?
Yes.
Yes.